Hello, my name is Vixat, and today I'm going to present of object-oriented program concept with the OOPP concept in the programming. There are an encapsulation, inheritance, and polymorphism, method overload and overriding, and abstraction. So, firstly, I want to introduce encapsulation. So what is encapsulation? Encapsulation is the define of a wrapping up of the data with a single unit, and it's a variable or data of a class is hidden from any member function of its own class in which declare. So there are some advantages of encapsulation. There are data hiding, that the user will have no idea about the implementation of the class, so it will not be visible to the user. So the user will passing the value to a settle method, and variable getting initialization with that value. And there also increase flexibility, so we can make it validate of the class as read only or write know that only depend on requirement. For read only, we settle the method by example of set name and set age, and we also set the method of write only. We get the method of get name and get age. And for the advantages of encapsulation, also have the reusability, so improve the reuse and easy to chart with the new requirement. And lastly, testing code in encapsulation is easy and fast. So here is the example of encapsulation concept. I have give the class name example of the student class. So I give two variable of string name and int of age. So for the string name, we can do two methods by give us a set name and get name. So for set name is can read only mode, so they can read only the name that we give, and get name we do write only for the get name. And for the age as well, we can do two methods too. We set age and get age. So for here is necessary to get the public class, so we can determine to with another classes to get this method of set name and get name. So here I gave the converter class for get the string from student classes. So I determine the classes of the student equal new student to get a string name and int age from the student class. So for here I set name, it mean read the name of my I give the name as result, and set age I get read from the class student, I give it 23. So we print out get name and print out the get age from the student class. So while I run it, it will show result 23. So this is important when we have many codes, so we hard to find. So we just give the string. We have the derived from many classes, so we just call the class. So it will show up in the code.